Horizon Wireless. We're a wholesale and retailer out of Houston, Texas. We sell unlocked phones, A-stock, new. We offer a 30-day warranty with very minimal RMA. And we have more than 10 years experience in the business. We mainly focus on Samsung, Apple products. We do ZTE, LG, a few other models, but we mainly concentrate on Apple and Samsung, A-stock, and new phones. We offer full kitting with lens, accessories, in a very nice retail package, ready to go, ready to sell to your customers. This is our first year exhibiting with gsmExchange, and it's been good so far. Today's the first day, but it's a good first day. There's a lot of potential clients. It's a huge network, and we're glad to be part of this platform.